Hello everyone. Are you curious about whether there is a bank in Antarctica? Let's explore. Antarctica, with its pristine icy landscapes and extreme weather conditions, is not typically associated with the presence of banks or financial institutions. As one of the most remote and inhospitable regions on Earth, Antarctica is primarily known for its scientific research stations, expedition camps, and wildlife habitats rather than commercial or economic activities. However, the question of whether there is a bank in Antarctica raises interesting considerations about the logistical and practical challenges of providing financial services in such a remote and isolated environment. Unlike other continents, Antarctica does not have a permanent population or indigenous communities that would necessitate the presence of banks for everyday banking needs. The continent is governed by the Antarctic Treaty System, a cooperative framework that promotes scientific research, environmental protection, and peaceful cooperation among its signatory nations. As a result, the primary focus of human activity in Antarctica is scientific research conducted by national research programs and international collaborations, rather than commercial or economic endeavors. Moreover, the extreme climate and harsh environment of Antarctica pose significant challenges for establishing and maintaining physical infrastructure, including banks and financial institutions. The continent's icy terrain, freezing temperatures, and limited transportation options make it difficult to construct and operate traditional brick-and-mortar bank branches in Antarctica. Additionally, the logistical complexities of transporting cash, valuables, and banking equipment to and from Antarctica further complicate the provision of financial services in the region. Despite these challenges, the question of whether there is a bank in Antarctica does have some interesting nuances. While there are no traditional banks or financial institutions operating in Antarctica, some research stations and expedition camps may have limited financial services available for their personnel and visitors. These services may include basic banking functions such as currency exchange, cash withdrawals, and money transfers, facilitated through partnerships with banks or financial institutions in the home countries of the research programs. Furthermore, some research stations and expedition camps in Antarctica may have arrangements in place for managing financial transactions and expenses associated with their operations. This may involve the use of electronic payment systems, prepaid cards, or other forms of digital currency to facilitate transactions and manage expenses in Antarctica's remote and isolated environment. Additionally, researchers and support staff working in Antarctica may have access to online banking services or mobile banking applications provided by their home banks, allowing them to manage their finances remotely while stationed in Antarctica. In recent years, advances in technology and telecommunications have made it easier for researchers and support staff in Antarctica to access financial services and manage their finances from remote locations. Satellite internet connections, mobile networks, and other communication technologies enable individuals in Antarctica to conduct online banking transactions, access financial information, and communicate with their home banks and financial institutions, reducing the need for physical bank branches in the region. In conclusion, while there is no traditional bank operating in Antarctica, the question of whether there is a bank in Antarctica raises interesting considerations about the provision of financial services in remote and isolated environments. While banks may not have a physical presence in Antarctica, researchers and support staff stationed in the region may have access to limited financial services and digital banking options to manage their finances. As technology continues to advance and connectivity improves, the accessibility of financial services in Antarctica may evolve, providing new opportunities for individuals working and living in the southernmost continent. The goal of this channel is to answer all the questions in the world in video format. After we achieve it, when you search for anything on internet, you will be able to watch a video answering your question instead of reading an article. However, if we want to achieve our goal of answering 1 million questions, we need your help. Please support us on Patreon by using the link in the description. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, follow the channel for more related content, and see you later. Goodbye.